How to fix wireless adapter missing. First open Start and click on Setting. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshoot. In Network Adapter press Run. Now wait for Troubleshoot to detect the problem.
If that didn't work,
Open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart.
if that didn't work,
first open Start and click on Setting. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Setting. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.